welcome back to my channel. Yours truly, Stassi. My name is Stassi, and today I'm going to be going shopping at IKEA, and you and I are going together to see what's hot, new, and useful this season. I'll be starting the first half of this video with items that are $20 and under, and then the second half of this video will contain items that cost $20 and above. So grab a snack and let's go to IKEA. But first, not before I show you the trip. Whoa, look at this, guys. These two are really interesting. This being used for so many different things. And it's only $20. Found this, and this is how it's actually styled. And who doesn't like breakfast in bed? This is the Res God, and it's only 20 bucks. Hey guys. Look at this. I love these cocktail glasses. I think they're fabulous. They remind me of The Great Gatsby. I love that book. I love that whole story, and I love anything that is flapper-like. So this is perfect. Look at that. You can make a nice Mary Pickford in there. Delicious. And it's only $2.99. Perfect. So another awesome find are these bathroom. This is an actual set. It's $6. These three right here. And these are individual, but I just wanted to show you guys the different colors, and they're $5.99 each. And these two, and a soap dispenser, and you can use a bar soap in here, and you can probably put your toothbrush in here. I think this is pretty awesome. It's really chic and economically sound. I think this is a great buy. For the perfect hostess who wants to offer her guests comfort, their robes for $20. I think this is perfect. It screams the perfect hostess or host. Okay, look at this. This is a pillow covering, guys. This is made out of like a Sherpa kind of texture. It feels incredible, and you just buy a pillow and put it in there. And they also have this fur version. I call it furras. Absolutely fabulous. How cute is this Sherpa? Super cute. This is what it looks like. Super soft too. I felt it. Okay, look at these pillows. They're duck-billed. Only $6. I'm telling you, this in Bed Bath & Beyond would be like $50 to $150. And they have the hypoallergenic version, which is $3 to $7. And this is duck filled. For those of you that are looking for like large sofa pillows, these are on the larger side. They're they're 26 by 26. That's perfect. Nice cozy sofa with fluffy pillows is perfect. And they're only 10 bucks. I'm in the throw section, and I really must say their throws are very cozy looking and feeling, and pretty elegant looking as well. So shout out to IKEA for that. Look at these. And of course, they're 20 bucks. So I'm completely in love with this. It's 2x4. It's pretty big. It's bigger than their typical one, and it's extremely soft. And I think it'd be great to have at the foot of the sofa or the bed. So this is definitely a keeper for me. Hey, so we're looking at the decor Rira, and it's a beautiful bowl, and it's big and it's heavy. This is perfect for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Even perfect for mixing or muffins. I don't know, whatever people do in bowls like these, but it's gorgeous. Look at, I have to get a good view of this so you can see the color, see how beautiful it is. This is what it looks like. So these three vessels or vases are pretty, they're pretty fabulous looking. I mean, look at them. I think that they look really good as is. Like they'd be good for like decorating shelves. And it's not the typical YouTube look, you know. You can caulk it or you can leave it as is. They're all under $20 and they're pretty big, pretty massive. Heavy. Really fabulous. Now look what I found. Now if you're extra like me, you'll probably like something like this. This is cute for watering plants. Found some more neat trays. This is another round one, but with a slight different style. And we have this one that is oval, and you could put whatever trinkets you want to put in it. So shout out to IKEA because, oh God, no one was here. No one was here. Suddenly I'm filming and everybody wants to make noise. Okay. All right, so shout out to IKEA because I was filming and I was down to 2% battery on my phone. And suddenly I turn around and I come into the light section. Okay, a lot of beautiful Art Deco and mod and 70s light fixtures and lamps are here. They're all very stunning, I'm not gonna lie to you. And I see this bad boy right here, the Hector. And see that? Charges phone. And immediately I threw my phone on top. Love this. It gives me a 1920s look. Love that. 1920s office. $40. So I'm actually really into this. I'm so feeling this right here. It's only 15 bucks. I wonder if this could be attached to like a wall. It's giving me either Art Deco or 70s vibe. Love it. And if you're enjoying this video, please ever so gently smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And this right here is also one of my favorites. It's giving me 70s vibe as well. These as well. I'm sure a lot of us could use some bathroom shelving. I'm in the shelving section, but I have my eye on this. And it's only 50 bucks. And if you're doing like a farmhouse chic, if that's your decor style, then they have this, the Filto, for $70. It's perfect. And they also have these. in the color black. I don't have the space for this, but it definitely gives me spa vibes, like home spa, very chic. I wish I had the space for it. I really love the look of this Birvik. It's really unique. Well, this is interesting. IKEA is now selling screens to protect you from COVID aerosols, I guess. That's interesting. This is the base. This is what's anchoring it. This is the screen. See, it just moved it. And it says new. And it's for $80. This is pretty cool. Very helpful. Basket section. Okay, this looks really good. Love this. Look at the handles. Oh, this is so chic. It's not like the typical basket. A lot could be done with this. These are potters on this side. Some of these are potters, but I feel like they're multi-uses. So I just saw this pedestal and I grabbed the faux plant and I styled it with it just to see how it would look. Obviously, I would change the planter that it's in, but I kind of like it. 3 of those up top, absolutely. If you're just trying to be like smart and economical about your finances and you admire the RH dining chairs, this is like the next best thing where you could actually just buy the covers for $30. And it comes like this. It's perfect. You can put it over any chair and suddenly you have new dining chairs. For people who love black decor, black accessories, and their like decor is black and white, this is perfect. This little cart is perfect. You could put alcohol here. I see so much potential with this. This is a really cool nightstand. Awesome nightstand. Look at this. $40. Fabulous. Simple. Functional. Looks great. This concludes the end of this video. Until we meet again, goodbye.